back. We're gonna keep building here. Got some things I need to put together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here, this here, and then I'm gonna put this one right like that. That's gonna make that front a little bit more stable. Then I'm gonna take this, I'll put this on here, and this goes. I put the sticker on there already, so if you're doing that, it's fine. And I'm gonna pop this in here and put this screen like that, and you can see where it's sitting. It's in there. And then, like I said, I fixed this, you know, so now we're good. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Alright, LEGO Fanatics, we're back. We're going to try to finish this building, at least the first floor today, if we can. There's a lot of detail involved in the first floor, apparently. So, I'm going to put this here. This is going to get locked in by two of these. One on this side. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And then one on this side. Oh man, that's awesome. So that just makes that solid. You know, it's a little weak here, but when I put these on there, you'll see. Okay, so now I need to do this one. Wait, is that right? Oh yeah, okay. So this one here, like this. This is gonna go here. Sorry. Wrong one. Picked up the wrong one. This is gonna go here. There we go. Alright. Now picked up the right one. And then I need another one of these long ones going this way, because that's going to lock all that in so it's not all falling apart. And then I'm going to keep that pattern going. So I need this one here, because these 1x8s are just not long enough, and if you try to do a 1x10, then you have a problem because that's an odd number of studs, so it won't work. Okay, now I need, oh, same thing on this side, like this. I need one of these long ones, 1x8s. Okay. There we go, 1x8 there. And then I need same here. Same here. Yeah, be careful because there's no support for this one, so you could probably break it if you're not careful. I love where that screen's at though. That screen is so awesome, isn't it? This little screen right here is pretty cool. I love the way they have that. Okay, so that's that part. Now, now I need these 4 pieces here, and they're going to go on the corners. That one, that one, that one, that one. And I'm just going to put the long pieces. Oh, I see why. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to put these long pieces that. There's another one, long one going right here. Okay, and then another one here. And I need a 1x3 to finish that off. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Long piece, 1x3. Long piece there. I'm going to take these shorter ones and then a longer one, and I'm going to put it here. So this is going to finish out the first floor. Alright, and if you notice, I've got some other pieces over there, but I'm not going to get to those yet. So as you can see, each level will actually be able to be pulled off of the last level as you go up. So let me see what I've got here, because I'm almost done with this first part. Yeah, see, it's got some good details here. I'm going to build a stand. Okay, you know what? I'll see you in the next video.